This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your device actually supports Face ID and that iOS is up to date. This avoids wasted steps later. Back up your iPhone so you can recover settings if needed, and check for any profile or MDM that could block biometric changes. Next, clean the True Depth camera area and remove heavy screen protectors. Physical obstruction is a common cause. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Face ID and passcode so you can begin the registration process. You will enter your passcode and tap Set up Face ID or Reset Face ID if remnants exist. This clears prior data and ensures a fresh start. During enrollment, rotate your head slowly in a full circle so the True Depth sensors capture different angles. This improves recognition in varied lighting and positions. Make sure to enable the specific features you want: iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and app authentication, so they use the new biometric. If one scan fails, repeat immediately to complete both scans successfully. Finish by testing Face ID across typical scenarios: bright sunlight, dim rooms, and while wearing any glasses or a face covering you use regularly, because this verifies reliability. If authentication is inconsistent, go back to Settings and choose Reset Face ID, then repeat the enrollment with the same deliberate head motions so the system learns varied angles. If problems persist, run a diagnostic in Settings or contact Apple support. Hardware issues with the True Depth module are rare but require repair. This single tip saves time and avoids repeated failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.